I feel like I've wanted to be a teacher for so long. When I was little, I always loved to go to school, so there's that. I just liked school. And we had this thing we had to draw what we want to be when we grow up, and I drew myself as a teacher.
I mean, this is a long answer, if we're gonna be honest, but like growing up, I had a really bad home life, and so school was kind of like my safe place, and I had a bunch of friends there, and my teachers cared for me.
Honestly, kids who look like me, young kids that look like me, need a strong role model so that they know that they too can become successful and they can see it themselves.
Be a teacher. I guess I just really like working with kids, and I always loved school, loved learning, and I think it's so cool again to be a part of that.
I just had so many great teachers that have inspired me and created a welcoming and safe environment for me as well as all my other peers, and I just want to be like them and live up to that.
So I wanted to turn around and do the same thing for others because school was the only place that I really enjoyed going, so creating that space for another kid would be great. But
I know that my influence doesn't just stop in the classroom, that the more people that I can reach, the more people that are underneath my umbrella, the better that my community will be.
There's going to be days where you really just need people to turn to, and the connections you're going to make now are going to last you your whole career. And you never know when you're going to need to reach out, or somebody's going to reach out to you, and you might be the voice that helps make a difference for them. So I think that's probably one of the most important things, and it's hard to kind of conceptualize now, but trust me, it's going to be a huge and important part of your career. So take just the few minutes that you need and become a member of Aspiring Ed. It's truly one of the most important things that you can do, not only for yourself, but for the profession.